middle term of binomial expansion. So here we are going to find out the middle term of the binomial expansion of part 1 under the advanced level. So here when the binomial is of x plus y whole to the power of n, when n is the degree of the binomial, then the expansion will be of nc0 into x to the power of n minus 0 into y to the power of 0. Then the next term will be of nc1 into x to the power of n minus 1 into y to the power of 1, plus third term will be of nc2 into x to the power of n minus 2 into y to the power of 2, and the last term will be of, that is the n plus 1th term. Since the exponent is of n, it is of ncn into x to the power of n minus n into y to the power of n, ncn into x to the power of n minus n into y to the power of n. Then now here we are going to perform a problem under this in order to find out the middle term of the binomial expansion. So here find the middle term of the binomial, that is 3x minus 7y whole to the power of 4. Here the solution starts now. Then now here in this solution, as per the problem, so here as per the problem, the binomial which is given to us is of 3x minus 7y whole to the power of 4. So in this, so we are going to consider the n value. So n is equals to 4. So n is equals to 4. So here the number of terms. So number of terms in the expansion is of, so one more, that is 1 plus the n value is of 4. So here n plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So there are of 4 terms. So here I am going to assume number of terms as capital N. So here capital N is equals to 5. But we know that 5 is an odd number. When n value, that is number of terms in the expansion, is of 5, that is an odd number, capital N is of odd number, then the middle term is given by means of the formula. Middle term is equals to capital N plus 1 overall divided by 2, that is equals to n value is of, so that is equals to n value is of 5, that is 5 plus 1 overall divided by 2, that is equals to 5 plus 1 is of 6 overall divided by 2, that is equals to, further simplification, 2 1s in the denominator and 2 3s in the numerator, 3 by 1 is of 3. So in this manner we got the middle term as 3, that is the third term. So 3 is the third term of the expansion. So here in this manner we got middle term. So here therefore middle term of the binomial expansion is equals to the third term. So it can be denoted by means of T3. So you have to find out the T3 of the expansion of the binomial, but the given binomial is of 3x, but 3x minus 7y whole to the power of 4 is the given binomial. Then now, so here we know, so here small n is equals to 4, but here we have to find out the T3, that is the middle term. So here middle term is equals to T3, but here we know that the gen term, that is the general term of binomial expansion is given by means of T r plus 1 is equals to NCR into x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of this only r. Then now based upon this formula, that is the general term, gen term of the binomial expansion, so we are going to find out the T3, that is the third term. Whereas in its expansion, so here as per the binomial expansion we are going to suppose, so here capital X, so here x as the first term, that is 3x, then now y as minus 7y, and whereas n value is of 4. Then now we have to find out T3. So here T3 can be given by means of T r plus 1. So here 1 plus, so 1 plus r value. So in order to get 3, so 1 must be added to 2. So here it is of r plus 1. So r value is of 2. So r is equals to 2. So now that equals to NCR. So here n value is of 4, 4CR, r is equals to 2 into x value. So x is of 3x whole to the power of n minus r. So it is of n minus r, n value is of 4 and r value is of 2, that is 4 minus 2 into y value is of minus 7y whole to the power of r. So r is equals to 2 again. Then now the next logical step will be of, so that implies 4c2 into 3x to the power of 4 minus 2 is of 2, then now minus 7y whole to the power of 2. Then the next logical step will be of, so that implies 4c2 3x to the power of 2 and minus 7y whole to the power of 2. Minus 7y whole to the power of 2. First of all, let us find out the value of 4c2. So here the coefficient, the binomial coefficient, we are going to find out 4c2, so equals to, based upon the formula, that is NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, that is n factorial can be given by means of 4 factorial. Here the n value is of, so here it is of n and it is of r. So n value is of 4 and r value is of 2. So here based upon this formula, that is NCR is equals to n factorial over r divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So based upon this formula, so we are going to write this logical step, that is, say here equals to n factorial. So n is of 4, so we can write it as 4 factorial over all divided by n minus r. So here 4 minus 2 factorial into r factorial. So r is of 2, that is 2 factorial. So here it can be, further we can write it as 4 factorial. So here we know n factorial as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 dash dash up to into n. So based upon these two conditions, I am going to write this logical step. So here I got this logical step based upon this reason. Then now based upon this logical step, so I am going to what I say expand the 4 factorial as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 overall divided by 4 minus 2 is of 2. That is 2 factorial can be written as 1 into 2 into 2 factorial again can be written as 1 into 2. Then now, so by cancellation 1 into 2 and 1 into 2, so here 2 1s in the denominator and 2 2s in the numerator, that is equals to 3 into 2 is of 6, 6 divided by 1 is of 6. So in this manner I got, therefore 4c2 value is of 6. Then now by substituting this 4c2 in this, so we will be getting the third term, that is the middle term, is equals to 4c2, its value is of 6 into 3x to the power of 2. So 3x to the power of 2 into minus 7y whole to the power of 2. So that implies 6 into 3 raised to the power of 2. It is in the form of AB whole power m. So here AB, we know AB whole power m can be written as A power m into B power m. So here, based upon this logical step, based upon this identity, I am going to expand. So here 3 raised to the power of 2, because it is of A to the power of m and B to the power of m. 3 raised to the power of 2, 3 square, 3 3 is of 9 into x square. Then now minus repeatedly multiplied twice, so minus into minus is of plus. So 7 square and y square, 7 square, 7 sevens is of 49 into y square. Then now that implies, by multiplying so 6 9s is of 54 into 49 into x square and y square. Then now that implies 54 must be multiplied with 49. So here 54 with 49, 4 9s, 9 4s is of 36 with 3 carry. Then now 9 5s is of 45, 45 plus 3 is of 48. Then now leaving space here, 4 4s is of 16 carry and again 1, 4 5s is of 20 plus 1 is of 21. Then now 6, 8 plus 6 is of 14 carry with 1, 4 plus 1 is of 5, 5 plus 1 is of 6. Then now it is of 2, 2 6 4 6. So that is equals to 2 6 4 6 x to the power of 2 and y to the power of 2. So this is the T3, which is the middle term. So here therefore, so here middle term of the expansion, binomial expansion, that is T3, is equals to 2 6 4 6 x square and y square.